Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also show you guys what these two little remotes can do for you. Both of them are Air Mouse remotes, and both of them going to make your life a lot easier to play with your Android boxes. This will work on few different platforms. Doesn't matter if you have a smart TV, if you have a computer that is Mac or PC or Linux. This is also going to work perfectly on your Android TV boxes. And also if you want to use this as a regular mouse on your computers, this will work, and also on projectors. And that's why you see that little thing in the back. And this is also going to work on your tablets, and if you have gaming devices, you can connect this, and because it has a dongle, it will work beautifully for you. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button. Also share this with your friends and family, and make sure you click the notification icon so that we will be notified once we have a new video out. Plus, click the like button. It really motivates us to make these type of videos quickly for you. On top of that, if you have a question, drop them at the bottom of the video. We love to help you out ASAP. Alright, so let's go next and unbox, and then going to cover everything one by one. Doesn't matter if it's this remote or this one. So the first one we're going to unbox, you can see the box is really nicely designed. But once we go through and take it out, I'm going to go from the bottom. So the first thing that is part of it is going to be the actual user manual. And the user manual is really small, but again has all the information that you require, all of the buttons, which we will cover in a few seconds. And on one side it is all written in one of the Chinese languages, but when you go to the back, everything is written in English. So it has all the information that you're really looking for. So with all the buttons, what it means, and also it's thanking you. And when you go to the second page of it, it says learning and how to press everything. Also, Air Mouse has 3 levels of cursor speed, and you go down, it talks about the function keys and also the voice search or voice switch, and then it says low battery, and going down all the other information that you are looking for. And here is the little remote. So it's inside of a little envelope. We will take it out. So this is how it looks. They really try to keep the same design as the Fire TV or Fire TV Stick kind of design. You can go on the top, you have the power, and then you have the mute button. You have the Air Mouse Remote 4-way navigation key. You have the OK in the middle. Also, you have the return or home key. You have the search button, which the mic is right on the top. And then you also have the menu key, the volume down and volume up button. Now going in the back is where you're going to open, and you're going to be able to place 2 AAA batteries here, which is not included in the box. But inside of that, you're also going to receive your USB dongle, which is 2.4 gigahertz, and we will show you how to connect this, number one, and then also we're going to show you exactly how this works. Alright, so connecting the dongle should be very easy. You just have to hook it up to your box, doesn't matter which one, in order to use it. Now placing the battery and the remote also is a breeze. You make sure that you have 2 AAA batteries, and that's good. Since we are mobile, we're going to test this very easily by just grabbing a bunch of buttons. So first thing first is the mute button. Once you press it, you can see it on the top that the mute button is on, and once you press it back, it will come off. That's how easy it is. Same thing with the sound on it, that you just have to press up and down. That will work perfectly. And we're going to focus right on top of the actual mouse first. So when you press the cursor and you move the cursor, you can see that it is working in the background, and it is a little bit slow. Now in order to make it fast, the volume button and the mouse button together, in order to make the mouse cursor go fast or slow. So you can see that now it's a little bit slower than before. Now same thing will happen when you are trying to play with more buttons. So as an example, now we have the search button, the voice button. When you press and you want to talk, it already just goes into Google and it will look to connect to the internet, and there you go, now it is listening. So whatever we say, it should already recognize and type it for you. So this remote is really good. It is working, as you can see right now. When we press the voice search, everything that we want, it just works. So this is a plus sign for this remote. And now what we will do is we're going to put this aside, and you can see that everything on this is perfect. We're going to put this aside and go to the second remote. Now this is the second remote. It really designed nicely, and it's called G50. I really like this, that it has an actual name. The other one did not have a name. This was very generic, but it is done by the same company. So I received two of them, and I wanted to do a video on two remotes together. That's why we made this. So let's go to the second one and unbox this. But once we go towards the chapters, you will see the little differences, and we're going to chapter them one by one to see which one is which. So once you open it, there is a little user manual with it too, as long as we can take it out. All right, so they look exactly identical like the other one, and it has the same type of features as you can see. This one also have the 3 functions and also all the components that we're going to cover. And going next, it has all the information that you're looking for, and in the back, it's all in different language. All right, let's put this aside and let's go to the remote itself. So here is the remote. It's inside of a little plastic. We will open it. Yes, when you're opening, it can damage the plastic. That's fine. We just need the remote itself. There you go. This is the second remote. So it is really nicely designed. Doesn't have any indicators on the top, going on the bottom, nothing. Going around. And then going to the back, you have a little part so you can open. And inside of it, you have your dongle. We will take that out. You can put 2 AAA batteries, which is not included in the box. We'll close that for a second. Go into the front part from the top. There you go. So now you have the power, you have the air mouse, and also the mute button. Just like the other remote, you have the IR indicator and you have the voice. You have the mic, you have the 4-way navigation key with the OK in the middle. And also you have the return key or home. You have the voice search button. You have the apps, and then you have the volume down and volume up. But this one, you have some buttons for your media player. So which is play and pause. You have the rewind or go back one chapter. And also you have the skip, or you can fast forward chapters if you hold it. That's how it's going to look. All right, so enough said about it. Let's go towards the dongle itself. Now the dongle is very small. Again, this is 2.4 gigahertz. So it's not that big, just like the other one. And then we will connect this and we will show you exactly how this will work. And you go, once you put the back on, this is how it looks. And now when you press any button, you see that it just works. This is what we want. All right, so let's go next and show you what you can get out of this on the screen. And here is the remote. Now if I press the mute button, you can see that it shows on the top. I know it's a little blurred out, but that's because I want the remote to be in focus. And now if I press the mouse button, and now if I move the mouse, you can see that it works. Now in order to usually fix it, you gotta like roll it for a few times, then you know exactly where it is. So that way you can select certain apps, and then that way it will work. Now I know that this is a little bit not orientated because I'm very near to the TV itself, but you can fix it. And also you can fix the actual speed by just pressing the button, and then it will get a little bit better. There you go, you see that? So that way it will work for you. That's not the only thing that this will work. So if you have the mouse off by just pressing it once, you can select the apps accurately. So now if I have to go here and I'm going to select certain things, it works a lot better for me. Now we are testing the sound quality, and we're searching again to see exactly if it's going to type or what we are looking for. Perfect. Now it's a lot better. All right, so we will press home. So the search button on this works. So we will press the home button, and there you go. Now we will go to YouTube. We will click on it. We have to turn off the mouse. There you go. And then we will press the YouTube. And now once it comes up, we have these buttons. Let's see if it works really good or if it does not work. So we're launching YouTube. So here is one of our videos. I will select it. So here's our video. Now we have the volume, so we can press up. And now the video came up. So let's do something to it. So we will press the play. You can see now that it is paused. Now if I have to press again, now it start playing. So if I have to press the next button, it should automatically take you to another. You see that? This is what we're really looking for, is if it takes you back a video or you want to take it to another video. Back to another video. So as simple as that. So this remote again is very functional. It's very simple, very easy to play with. Links all going to be available where you can order this from or the other one, and that way you're going to take advantage of it. Again, it's very inexpensive and it is going to be available everywhere for you guys. So I hope you guys like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment on the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is xctex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places. And thank you.